Hello guys, welcome to Protect Review once again. If you haven't subscribed, please do so not to miss my new uploads. Today I want to show you how you can back up your contacts to email so that whenever you lose your phone, you don't lose your contacts as well. So let's get into it. Open your contacts, go to settings, go to manage contacts, which is in settings, then go to import or export contacts. From here choose import, then here you have to choose where you want to copy your contacts from. Choose from line or SIM card, select all contacts, then here you choose email because you are backing up from your SIM card or phone to email. So choose email. For me I have many emails, but choose one if you have many, which you know the password, you won't forget. Then click on import or OK. So as you see, my contacts have been added to email. So another trick which you can do if you don't want to remain with a copy on your SIM card or phone, you go to, when you reach on this option, just go to move contacts from your accounts or SIM card. So click on move contacts. Choose where your contacts are, which is phone or SIM card. Select all contacts. Choose your email from here, then move, which is the last step, which means that all contacts have been moved. You don't remain with a copy on your phone, meaning whenever you lose your device, you can again back up your contacts automatically from email. Alright, thank you for watching.